What's up guys, Alec here, and today I'm going to be talking about IGTV again because I've had loads of requests in my DMs asking me to do more about IGTV and to give people more tips. So in this video I'm going to give you 8 tips on how to get more views on your IGTV channel. So the first tip I've got to give you is to post at the right time. Now this is very similar to when you're posting on your feed, on your stories. You just want to make sure you're posting at the peak times of when your followers are on the platform. If you're a business profile, you can check out when your peak engagement times are within your insights. Step number 2, and now this one's very important and not so obvious to a lot of people, but it's to post quality content tailored to IGTV. Quality content is a lot more likely to be shared, and this is going to get you more views and likes and even comments. Tip number 3 is to have a good, intriguing thumbnail. When people are checking out their IGTV feed, you want to have a thumbnail that catches people's attention and intrigues them so they click on your video. Also, a quick side note, although the videos are 1080 by 1920, the thumbnails are actually cut a little bit short, so they're 1080 by maybe 1850. I'm not too sure exactly, but you can make your own custom thumbnails. You don't have to pick one straight from the video. So this makes it a lot easier to have a nice custom looking thumbnail in the IGTV feed. Tip number 4 is share a story with a call to action to go and watch your IGTV video. Now the swipe up feature used to be for people who only had over 10,000 followers so they could share links, but people with below 10,000 followers can now have the swipe up feature, but only to share IGTV videos. So for an example here, I put out a vlog about my time in Lisbon and I posted it on my Instagram story because I know I get more people checking out my Instagram story with a call to action saying swipe up for an exclusive vlog which was edited for IGTV. Tip number 5 is DM people your IGTV videos. Now this one again is pretty straightforward, but a lot of people don't actually do it. When my Lisbon vlog came out, I sent it to a few people who I knew would appreciate it. I also asked for some of their feedback because this was the first vlog I was editing in the 1080-1920 format tailored for IGTV. Tip number 6 to get more views on your IGTV videos is to share it on other social networks. For all of your IGTV videos, you have the option to tap on the 3 dots, copy the link of that video and then share it anywhere you desire. So for an example, I shared my Lisbon vlog on Twitter and I also sent it to a group chat in WhatsApp. Tip number 7. Now this one's a cool one that a lot of people don't do. Now when it comes to the IGTV search, you can only search by user. This is a big problem because you can't search by topic, but people still end up doing so anyway. So what you want to do is put a word related to your niche or a topic in your name. For example, on Instagram, my name is Alec, Instagram tips. So when you search Instagram tips, I'm one of the people who comes up in the search. As you can see, other people have also done it, such as Sue Zimmerman. And again, just to show you another example, if I wanted to watch some slime videos and I typed in slime videos, I would get a load of profiles who have done this technique and put their niche within their name. And finally, tip number 8 to get more views on your IGTV videos is to look at your insights. Now for the moment, in my opinion, IGTV is still very limited when it comes to the insights, but you can still see the amount of views, likes and comments you get. And by the way, it counts as a view as long as a person has watched at least 3 seconds of your video. Now you also get audience retention. Now this is a really cool feature that I've always wanted to have on my Instagram videos, but now I've got it on my IGTV channel. So again, just take a look at this and see what content performs best. If you have content that's doing a lot better than everything else, try making more of the same content. So that was the 8 tips on how to get more views on your IGTV channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any more tips or you liked a particular one of these tips, let me know in the comment section below. Again guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Peace out.